Hello, everyone. Are you looking for an internship or a full time role? And you have applied for 300 jobs but haven't received any calls yet? Stay with me. I'm Pranjali Parse, currently working as data scientist at Autodesk in USA. In this video, I'll be talking about different LinkedIn tips and tricks that you could use without even applying for jobs and getting a lots and lots of interview calls from big tech companies like FAANG and big tech like Bloomberg, Autodesk, etc. So, before that, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on LinkedIn, I have provided the profile link in the description box. So, let's get started. I know a lot of people recommend applying using a referral for multiple job applications to increase your profile visibility amongst the candidates who have applied for that particular job. And I completely agree with that. But I remember when I was applying for jobs and I was messaging people on LinkedIn for referrals, obviously it takes a lot of time for you to connect with somebody and ask them if they would be happy to refer you. So here's one way in which you can actually find people who can refer you in literally just 5 to 10 seconds. And this is how you do it. All you have to do is like let us consider you just put the word refer. LinkedIn is all about game of words. So when you just put refer and when you just click on people, you would find a list of people who have put in their bio who are actually happy to refer you. As you can see here, okay, this is a data scientist, this is a software engineer, and yeah, they're all happy to refer you. So all you have to do is just reach out to them. And you can also play with filters if you want, like let us consider you're trying to look for a referral in TikTok. So all you have to do is the current company, set the current company as TikTok, and you'll see a lot of people who are actually happy to refer you, who have also put their referral codes here. So instead of just reaching out to them, you can just use the referral codes, and that's it. You have your referral there and there. So yeah, just use this trick and see if it works out for you in terms of job referrals to accelerate your job hunting process. Second LinkedIn tip is cold messaging. I know it's a little tedious to reach out to a lot of people and connect with them and see if there are any opportunities that they are aware of in their company. But yeah, if you actually follow these tips and tricks that I would be talking about in the next few minutes, cold messaging wouldn't be that difficult and tedious as you think. So let us consider you want to kind of connect with people working in different companies, but you don't really know how to get started with. So you can always leverage the search button on LinkedIn. Let us consider you want to connect with somebody who's working in Microsoft. So maybe I can get started with somebody who's a data scientist. So I click on data scientist and you see a bunch of options: jobs, people, posts, groups. I suppose these options are seen by you if you have a LinkedIn premium. Uh, or if you have a standard LinkedIn account, you might just be able to see a limited number of options. So I always suggest to have a LinkedIn premium for better networking and for yeah, better job hunting process. So you see people you can connect. You can just click on the people button and you see a bunch of people that you can connect with who are data scientists working in different companies since you've not mentioned their current company. Now, since you want to connect with somebody who's working at Microsoft and who's a data scientist, you can just click on this and it just shows results of all the data scientists you want to connect with who are working at Microsoft currently. So when you click on the connect button, there are two options: adding a note and sending without a note. I always suggest you to add a note since it just increases your profile visibility and it just adds more personalization. So definitely add a note whenever you're sending a connection request. And this is the template which I usually use. Hello, so and so, that person's name whom you're sending an invitation to. I'm so and so, currently working as a data scientist. If you're not working, you can just mention I'm currently pursuing my education in so and so university. I'm currently looking for so and so roles. I used to just connect with people and say I'm currently looking for data science roles and came across openings at so and so company. I believe I'd be a perfect fit given my experience as a data scientist, would love to connect and discuss more. So this is a template which I used to just copy and paste when sending connection requests to so many people. So definitely use it and yeah, so definitely use it and send a lot of connection requests to different people. There's also one feature which is very helpful when you have LinkedIn Premium, which is actively hiring. So, like, let us consider you want to see people who are actively hiring. You can just put hiring and the filter actively hiring. So, you can see a number of people hiring in Microsoft who are who also have their banner hashtag hiring. So, you can always reach out to them. Last but not the least, LinkedIn tip and trick that has helped me get more than five full time interviews for machine learning, data science roles from big tech and FAANG companies is cold emailing. I know a lot of people are not aware of what exactly cold emailing is and where do you actually get the emails from the recruiters is the question which everybody asks. So, in this tip and trick, I'd be showing you how you can retrieve email of a certain person on LinkedIn by just downloading or adding an extension to your browser, which is like an email finder extension. So when you actually go to that person's profile, it just that extension just shows you what the email of that person is, and all you have to do is reach out to them using that email, and that's it. That's basically cold emailing, and I will show you how you can actually do that. Like I mentioned, cold emailing is basically just emailing recruiters, engineers, and hiring managers, any person that you kind of want to connect with when you're actually trying to find a job or when you're just trying to network. But obviously, you might be asking, how do we find emails? So, there's this one trick that you can actually use when finding email. So there are two or more browser extensions. As you can see, this is called Get Prospect and this is called Lucia. You can definitely find different email finder extensions on internet as well. So all you have to do is add these extensions to your browsers. And when you add these extensions to your browsers, and let us consider you go to some person's profile. Like let us consider I just type a data scientist and I click on people, and these are the people who actually come. So yeah, I think definitely it gives you all the details for different people, and it just also gives you the email details and a lot of other details about that person. So obviously, you can definitely use these email extensions to kind of reach out to people, and every extension has its certain limit, so you can make use of different extensions for reaching out to different number of people. So, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on LinkedIn, I have provided my profile link in the description box. And last but not the least, I also provide one on one sessions which are completely free on TopMate. If you have any questions on career advice, to doing masters in USA, to finding a job, to getting into data science, do not worry. Just book a one on one session with me on TopMate, which link you can find in the description box. So, thank you so much again, and everyone have a great day.